books and playing games when there's sunny weather.
La 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 la.
If there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together.
La 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 la.
Every day just has a way of feeling extra lucky.
La 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 la.
When you spend it with a friend, just like Bjorn and Bucky. Just like Bjorn and Bucky.
The missing doll. Ari, old buddy, you want some more tea? Have some tea with me. It's as fancy as a drink can be. La-dee-dee! Here comes the thunder. Kappa-kapow!
My turn. Yeah. Nice catch.
You'll never score.
Oh, is that right? Here comes Bucky's Mega Ultra Kick of Doom. Yes! 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 No!
Huh? Oh, look what you've done! You almost smushed my favorite doll of all time!
Then I guess I'm sorry. Can we have our ball back, please?
All right, I'll get it back for you. Just promise you'll keep an eye on Ari. Don't let something else happen to him. He's sensitive.
He'll be just fine. With Bucky and Bjorn on the scene, nothing will happen to him. Nothing. No way, no how. You can trust us.
Bucky, what happened to the doll? Franny is gonna freak out big time.
Yeah, here's the plan. While Franny's off getting our ball, we'll find the doll.
Boys, where is my Ari?
Bjorn, you find the doll while I distract the fox. Franny, hey there! Walk with me. I'll explain the whole thing.
Did you wink at Bjorn behind my back?
Nope.
Here, Dolly, Dolly, Dolly. Chicky, come on, help me look for it.
Here's the deal. There's one lone day in every year when Ari comes to life and goes to see his friend for an hour or two.
How could I never have heard that? What's Ari's buddy's name anyway?
I'm pretty sure it's, Flarpy Flooberstein.
We've just gotta keep looking, Chicky. Chicky, please tell me you found something. Bug, bug, bug. Bug, bug, ugh. Is it with the fish? Oh, I wish. Here, there, where, oh, where? I swear, it's just not fair. Bear in despair. That's not a doll at all. Oh, got it. Chicky, that is a genius idea. All I need is some scissors.
So Ari just went to visit Flarpy Flooberstein for a while. He strolled around the forest, looking at nature and stuff and greeting all his buddies. Knock, knock, who's there? Knock, knock, that's who. K the J, what do you say? Ari, hey, have a nice day. Strolling through the wood, feeling good, good, good. Until, mercy me, Flarpy Flooberstein was stuck up in a tree.
Well, how did he get way up there?
Well, obviously, the wind carried him up.
Snip, snip, snip. Rip, rip, snip, snip, clip. Got to make sure that Franny doesn't flip. All it takes is a little craftsmanship. Turned out okay. It's close enough to Franny's toy, right?
It turned out Flarpy Flooberstein was terrified of heights. Luckily, Ari always packed about a quarter-ream of colored paper, which he chained into a lasso so he could climb up and see Flarpy safely back to ground. Yeah!
And then, did they have some nice tea or something?
Yeah, they had pine cone zinger and anthill cakes.
So Ari should be back from his friends now, shouldn't he? Ari, I'm on my way! I can't wait to see you!
Wait, Franny, he isn't back yet! I hope that was enough time.
Oh, Franny is never gonna believe that that's her Ari. Whoa!
Wind's up. Is that Ari? How'd you get up there? This happened in the story I just told. Let's just get you back to Franny. Come here. Falling! Not good. Hey, I got him.
Here I am! Ari, where are you? Franny, well, the thing is, your doll's right here. Ari, give me huggies! Why are you purple? Are you sick or something?
Franny! Hey, Franny! I'm a little out of breath, but here's your doll, Ari.
Lovely Ari! So, who's that? Right over there with Bjorn. This is, well, yeah, this is...
It's Flarpy Flooberstein! Isn't that
Floppy Flugel guy.
Chicky, no pre-chewing other guests' food like last time. Ari, should I pour you some more tea? Mr. Fluberstein, can I offer you some cookies to eat? They're yum delicious nummies.
Seriously? Flarpy Fluberstein?
What of it? It's a really common name on Mars.
A present for Bucky.
Stealthy, sneaky. Like a ninja spy ghost. Oh, I see. Right, position's good. Mega Snoopomatic time. Booting up. System check. I spy with my robot eye. A super genius guy. Hi. And here we go. Oh, really? Okay, fine. We'll worm it. Right, just a little bit further. It's almost in position. Uh-oh.
Bucky, I know you can hear me.
No, I can't.
Come on. I can see you back there. Are you still trying to find out what I'm giving you for a birthday present?
Never. Well, maybe a little, yes.
But Bucky, it's a surprise.
Just one little hint. The size or the color. What letter of the alphabet does it start with?
Bucky, it's a surprise.
La 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 la, it's apple time, yeah!
Hi there, Granny. Do you know what Bjorn's giving me for a birthday present?
He didn't tell me. What?
It's nothing too special. It's only the super coolest, awesomest, mind-blowingest birthday present that the world's ever seen.
Whoa, that's awesome! He's the best! Bjorn, come on! Pretty please with super tons of whipped cream on top of it? Tell me what Bucky's birthday present is!
All right, but promise you aren't going to spoil the surprise.
Crossing my heart, I completely swear that never shall this news I share.
All right, come see. The password is iceberg underwear.
Pretty impressive security.
Are you ready for it?
Mm-hmm. Gosh and golly! This is just totally the best! La 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 la.
Granny,
I
you
can't
gotta
hear
tell me
a
what my
thing you're
present is.
saying 'cause I'm
Come
singing
on,
to
I'm
myself.
dying here. I'm begging you, please. Which is how come you need to tell me.
Sorry, Bucky. Did you say something? If it was something about your present, I promised Bjorn I'd keep it secret.
Fine. Keep his dumb secret. Let's forget it then. I bet he didn't really tell you.
Yes, he did too.
No he didn't.
He absolutely did.
Nope, didn't happen.
You're wrong. He did. Bjorn's giving you a card with beautiful dried daisies on it.
Is that really it, truly? Dried flowers on a crummy little card? Disappointment, crushing me like a boa constrictor. Midnight, welcome to the anniversary of the day you were activated. Short party. Disappointment. Card, daisies. Come back tomorrow or never. Huh? Huh?
Bucky, hey! Happy birthday to you from your dearest friends. I've prepared you a little surprise, and if you're ready...
Bjorn, I kind of already know. A card with dried flowers stuck on it.
I'm not sure what that means. This, Bucky, is a glider, see? It's taken me practically a whole month to build it.
So happy birthday, Bucky!
All right! A glider! I don't believe it! This is incredible! Thank you, Bjorny! You're just the best! And the cake is awesome, so yummy and creamy. This is the best birthday in the entire history of Bucky Bear birthdays! Wow.
option.
A portrait of Bjorn. Look at this, Franny. What do you think?
Wowee, it's beautiful.
It's me in the north. It's my favorite picture.
Hi. Morning, Bjorn. Listen, Chicky wants you for something outside.
All right. I'll be back in a minute.
Fine. Look at this. My new Paint Your Hominator dome. Let's paint Bjorn's house as a surprise. Fantastic colors from wall to wall.
Hang on. Bjorn will be coming back in a moment.
Actually, Chicky's agreed to distract Bjorn for a while. Right. We pour some paint into these cups. Yay! Then press. Then wait until the paint sack is filled up. Then I pull out my high-tech Poppatron and instantly paint the room. That's some impressive coverage.
Bucky, just look at Bjorn's house. Oh no!
Franny, we don't need to panic. We can fix it before Bjorn even knows it ever happened. There's no need to worry. Still, we'd better hurry and scrub it up with every stud we find. So this is kind of a disaster. Come on, let's move faster. If Bjorn sees this, he'll kick my brown behind. Wash out the pink, orange, purple, and green for my exploding painting machine. Hey, now it's all clean.
No! Bjorn's portrait!
That? I guess it kind of looks like him.
But that portrait is his favorite, and we've ruined it.
We'll fix it, so Bjorn never knows it even happened. Ta-da!
Bucky, where did the portrait go? 'Cause it's gone.
Not a problem, 'cause I'll just totally fix it so Bjorn never knows it happened. We'll just paint it over, that's what we'll do.
Bucky, I didn't know you were an artist.
And a good one. I'll make a new portrait that's exactly like the other one. First, I'll start with the basics. Bring order to the whole through design, composition, tension, balance, light, harmony, and then some other fancy words like perspective and stuff. Some junk up here, a happy tree, and voila! Not bad, huh?
Well, it's not exactly right.
Everybody's a critic. Why don't you just do it yourself then? Knock yourself out.
Why don't we just tell Bjorn we ruined it and then say sorry?
Just stop! Do you want Bjorn to be furious at us, do you? So mad he goes back up north and lives alone in Blizzardville, friendless and frozen?
I'm so depressed without my favorite portrait.
Bucky, we just can't let Bjorn find out the truth.
Yes, Franny, that's right. So you've got some painting to do.
But I honestly don't know how.
Then, Franny, it's your lucky day, 'cause I'm a super awesome teacher of the arts.
Uh-oh. I can't remember what this portrait thing is supposed to look like.
Just like this. Now paint.
Do I start with, like, your foot or what?
No, I think you should start with the old noggin.
Head first. Okay. What should I paint next?
Now just paint the rest of it, and hurry. I'm getting tired of standing like this. There. Just remember to use lots of art. Franny, this is awesome. Just what we're looking for.
I'm finally back. Finding Chicky was hard to do. What is that?
Come on, Bjorn. This is your favorite picture of all time, right?
Sure, but can you tell me why? It's of you now?
You are very right, but we can fix it. Now stand just exactly like this. Franny, start the art.
Huh?
Hey, look! It's even better than before.
Hey, Franny, you should paint yourself and Chicky into it.
What's that thing over there?
Bjorn! Do not press that! Surprise! It's sort of beautiful, don't you think? It's like modern art. We can fix this so that you never know what even happened.